I'm now going to show you how to put on a zipper using the lapped application method. So here I have the back of my skirt. This is one half of the back, this is the other half of the back. My zipper is going to go right here in between these two pieces. The first thing that I need to do is stitch from these notches right here down to the bottom. So I'm going to put this right side to right side, and I'm going to pin these pieces together to the notch, and then take it to my sewing machine and stitch right alongside one side. Alright, so I'm going to stitch this at my 5/8 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to do a regular stitch. I'm going to back stitch to make a knot. And I'm just going to go all the way down till I reach the notch, and then I'm going to back stitch again. Once I have this done, I'm going to press my seam open. I finished sewing my seam on the back of my skirt. Here it is right here. I'm going to show you the underside right here. So I flipped it inside out. I also sewed the back of my skirt to the front of my skirt. So I also have the side seams, but you don't need to worry about that. This is the left side of the skirt. This is the right side of the skirt if you're looking at the whole back. Right here is where we're going to put the zipper. So on the left side of our back, where we have our opening, you're going to measure 5/8 of an inch, pin it, and then press it. On the right hand side, you're going to measure 1/2 inch, you're going to pin that, and you're going to press that. After that step is done, we're then going to start putting in our zipper. So now I have my skirt pressed here at the seam. I'm going to take my zipper face up, so you have the head facing you, stick it inside of my skirt right here, and I'm going to pin this right side as close to the teeth as possible so that the edge of my fold here gets right next to the teeth. So I'm just going to take my pins here and pin it. I'm going to go all the way down on the right hand side until I get to the end of my zipper. My zipper is now pinned to the right side of my back flap here, and I'm going to go ahead and start sewing right along this edge, but the first thing I need to do is change my foot. This is my regular sewing foot. I need to put in a zipper foot because the zipper foot helps you get closer to the teeth of the zipper. So this is my foot here. I have a wide zipper foot, but a lot of times what you may have with your machine is a narrow zipper foot. And let's just fix this. And the narrow one is just probably half this size right there. It's pretty narrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on here. And I'm gonna start at the bottom of my zipper and then work my way to the top. And you want to go so that the edge of your foot goes right alongside the teeth of the zipper. So I'm going to put my needle down here and put my foot down and bring my pin cushion over. And you can go ahead and start stitching. I'm going to do a couple back stitches to hold this in here. And this is only a 7-inch zipper, so it's not going to take me very long. But zippers do come in a variety of lengths and colors and stuff, so you'll definitely be able to find one for your project. Alright, so I'm just getting to the end here. And move this little tab thing. And once I get to the end, I'm going to do a couple back stitches to hold it in there. And there you go, that's one side. So now we're going to look at doing the other side. I now have my zipper on the right hand side sewn into the back of my skirt. So now with this left side, I'm going to pull it over and hide my zipper, and I'm going to overlap it with this side by about 1/8 of an inch. So probably pretty close to where your stitching is on your right hand side. I would measure that just to make sure. So I'm going to overlap this by 1/8. I'm going to pin it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my end of my zipper, which is right about here. I'm going to stitch across in a straight line, and then I'm going to go up and stitch up right alongside my zipper on the other side here. So now I'm going to get ready to sew this final piece for the zipper. I'm going to switch my zipper foot to the other side, since I'm going to be working from the other direction. Just makes it a little easier for me. Oh, I took off my arm and my little organizer back here just so I have a thinner arm to work with. Since this is a skirt, it just makes it a little easier for me as well. All right, so this white pin right here, this is where I mark the end of the zipper runs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull it and then put my needle down right where that was. Right in the seam. Now this yellow pin, the head, is right where my zipper is. So I'm gonna stitch until I get just a little past that, and then I'm gonna pivot, and the edge of this foot is gonna be all along the zipper. And if you feel with your finger, you'll feel where the zipper is. And you just want to keep this edge of the foot right alongside until you get to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and start stitching here. I'm going to go a couple of back stitches. Okay. So I'm putting my finger where I know where the zipper is, but I need to go past that a little bit because I need to make sure that there's enough room for my foot to fit. Okay, so I'm going to put my needle down and turn this and see if that's going to work. I'm going to put the foot down, and actually it's perfect. I can feel the zipper right here. So now I'm going to go right alongside and just keep this nice and spread out. And just keep your finger right where the zipper is so you know where to move your needle. I want to get this as straight as possible. I know it's hard since the whole thing is covered. You don't really get to use anything as a guide. Alright, so when we get to the top, you're going to back stitch, and then your zipper will be done. So now the zipper is in place. If I close it up, it gets hidden by this flap. As you can see, it opens up, and it's been stitched on both sides. And there you go. That's how you put a zipper in.
Our book, Professor Pincushion's Beginner Guide to Sewing, Garment Making for Nervous Newbies, is now available to order. Go to professorpincushion.com/books or click on the link in the description to see a list of vendors where you can purchase it.